you go. They will not have to mess with this sink again for many, many years. Okay, we are going to go into Gordito's Mexican restaurant and get some lunch. And this is what the outside of it's like. It's got all that mural art on it. So it's right up here on 85th and Greenwood. Gordito's healthy Mexican food. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, so we are at Gordito's, and this is the grill they do their cooking on. That is my Burrito Grande on the right, and we have other goodies going together there too. So we are about to get an assortment of deliciousness coming up soon. And they cook really well, yes. And my sister is trying to tell me what? Oh yeah, we got Miguel and Rafael. Okay, so we're gonna go back and get some stuff to put on our burritos. Fred has got his lemonade and my Coke. And this here is the condiment bar. This is my personal favorite, the chipotle sauce, and then I like to get the chopped greens to put on, and then the, what do they call that stuff anyway? Escabeche. And so that's really good too. So we're gonna load up on that stuff there, and we will rejoin you at the table when our food comes. So yeah, it's a really good restaurant to get authentic Mexican food. And it's done up real nice inside. It's got the tile floors, the wide grout lines, very uneven floor, but it's the ambiance. And there's the truck outside the window there. All right. Oh yes, chips, must have chips. Okay, I had the fajita wet burrito here. Yeah.
And this is the burrito with pork. Yeah, this is really down. I was a little bit confused because you don't want the piñata and what you go out first.
Oh, the what?
I forgot the piñata.
Oh. Okay, so there we go. That is my burrito. Compared to my hand, it's 2 hands and maybe a little more.
It's bigger than a small dog.
Just to compare my burrito to Sue's burrito. Excuse me. There you go. Okay, there. Now you can see just how big the Burrito Grande is. People famously bring their newborn babies to have their baby's picture taken next to the burrito. Not that there's any cannibalism or anything going on here. Okay,
What's in your burrito today?
No, yeah, what's in your burrito? Hey, shut up, it's nobody you know anyway. Okay, so we are going to enjoy that now. Okay, so I was only able to eat half of my burrito, which is pretty much what I expected. Sue and Fred are the same, they only ate half of theirs. So I'm going to go and get some green stuff and chipotle sauce. Then I'm going to put it in a take home, and Kelly will have some for dinner. Good stuff. Okay, and that was our lunch at Gordito's. It was delicious, highly recommended. What do you think, Sue? Yummy?
Yummy.
Sue gives it a yummy. Okay, so we will see you on the next video. And until then, good eats. is the size of my leftovers compared to Fred's leftovers. And Sue, put your leftover there. So that is the Burrito Grande, twice the size of leftovers as other burritos. Such a bargain. Okay, see you at Archie's.